I wanted to show you guys around my website. As a member, I want you to be able to maximize what you do with the files that I create, that my team creates. We want to make sure that you're getting as crafty as possible. Welcome to auntietay.com. Let's look around. Everything is over in the members only zone if you can't seem to find something in the new shop section. So we're going to start with the shop section, which is right here. This is where I am currently working on making sure everything is listed. Right now we have thousands of bundles on there. I have thousands more files that I'd like to move over here. While these are open to the public, I want you guys to see that members actually get to check out for free up to $250 in credit every single month. Let's go down to the SVG bundles just to look around in here. You guys can actually search this. My old files were not able to be searched, and now you can actually search when you're looking for something. Let's see, I am trying to make something for my friend who is a firefighter. So I'm going to come down to occupations and I am going to see what you have, which we have a bunch of bundles in here. And a lot of our SVGs are in bundles. That way, if you're using your Cricut, you can upload an entire bundle and you're not having to upload a bunch of individuals. So here's the firefighter bundle. Let's say I want to add that. If I'm not a member, I would just pay $375. If I am a member, you're going to see that over here in the cart, it's going to tell you that you have a member discount and it is $0. So here's the little search guy up here. I want you guys to click it and I want you to search it. Now, this is only going to pull up, let's look up Alice, because you know that we have a lot of Disney inspired stuff, and I'm going to show all the results. This will bring up anything that is tagged with Alice that is for sale. Now, I'm going to show you how to find more files. It may be over in the members only zone, which I'll show you guys in a second. I really want you to get familiar with this side because this is where everything is going to be. So say you're doing an entire Alice themed something and you're like, I want the Alice SVGs, so I'm going to add that to cart. I want the Alice inspired paper add-ons because I'm going to make some cute laser pieces. This is a great way for you to be able to search. Let's search Dumbo and see what we have there. Dumbo explosion box, Dumbo SVG bundle. And again, if you're a public watcher or you're no longer a member, you just want one or two files, you can go purchase this. Say we're going to paper files and everything is now in categories as well. So let's say I want to do paper flowers. I can just click paper flowers and all of our paper flowers will pop up. Here are our zones down here in the left corner. We have craft members, business members, and of course, if you're not a member, become one. So craft members, when you click here, this is going to allow you to send me a file request. If you have anything that you want designed, let me know. Please be specific. And if it's something that I think all the members would enjoy, I will try to design that for you or put that in the docket for our design team to do. This coupon code will pop up. This is your coupon code for your partners. You can shop our partners with the discount code, and that's where you will get that, but it will also always sit right here on your craft members bundle in the left side. And then this is where you can always contact me, whether you want to send me a thoughtful message. This is a specific member only contact, so these go directly to me and my team. You as a member have access to every single course. Let's join it together. We're going to jump in. Make sure you're signed in to your member account. Otherwise, it's going to try to charge you. I don't want that happening because you're already a member. If you are signed in, this will say price free to members included in your plan. So we're going to join this and you can join all of the courses. So the cool thing about courses is they have the files inside of them and then they have instructional steps. So what are add-ons? It's going to explain to you what this is. It's going to give you helpful tips for actually cutting your add-ons. This is classic character add-ons course. So you have Lilo and Stitch. You have a Hawaiian add-ons, which can also be used for Lilo and Stitch. Mary Poppins, Tinkerbell, Dumbo, Pirates, Peter Pan, Mickey and Friends, Lion King. Now, the thing is with our add-ons is they are all inspired. So if you are creating parties for profit, you have the right to do that with commercial use. You are not able to distribute our files, but you are able to use our files to sell or create experiences for other people. I am currently adding Tons. I have had designers for years, so we have so many fun files that I am packaging up for you guys to be able to use. So we have the paper add-on Pixar, we have the paper add-on Princesses, and these courses, this is why I wanted to put it into a course, because there are multiple files in this, and then you don't have to download the entire thing and bog your own computer down or use up your credit in your shop files. This will not use up your $250 credits. Reminder that our paper files work great for laser as well. We have doll clothes sewing patterns. These all work on your Cricut. We have the new dollhouse series, which I am adding tons of files to this as our courses grow over time. You may have jumped into a course like I'm a participant in this, but if I come out with more files, nothing's going to change. I just have to go back into that course and new files are in there. So it makes it super fun and super easy for me to offer you guys expanding things in the crafts that I see you guys using. We can craft by style, theme, and holidays in the old way. I'll show you one of each. So under style, this is like, say I'm pulling my laser out for the day and I just want to be inspired. So I'm going to craft by style today, and I'm going to see what Auntie Tay has in her membership for laser. Sometimes if this drop down is just staying in the way, hover off of it or click off of it. I'm going to go, okay, what do I want to make with my laser today? Maybe I'm just going to look. Oh, these houses are super fun and the holidays are coming up. I'm going to make that. Hey, I want to put some faith inspired like sayings on some tea towels. I'm going to go craft by theme, which is faith. So in here, I could say, okay, what do we have in here? I am going to make some tea towels, or maybe I'm going to make some Bible covers, or I'm going to make some tote bags, but I all want them to be themed around faith. Then I can craft by theme, and that's very helpful. And then obviously holidays are holidays. I showed you the Christmas page. It's stocked. These pages are stocked with stuff. There are a lot of different styles within the holidays and the themes. Getting familiar with the styles is really an easy way to get to know how to use a lot of our files. So if you know how to use your Cricut, you're already golden. You can use tons of files. But you're like, I don't really know how to use paper for my Cricut. And that's where the courses come in handy, because those will have instructional videos in them and instructional tips and tricks like that. The last thing I want to show you guys is shopping products. Now, we obviously have partners, and if you want to shop our partners, that is where you're going to need your coupon code. So say you're like, you know what, I need to stock up on vinyl, or I need to stock up on some acrylic. I'm going to shop craft acrylic or cardstock warehouse or vinyl and tool. Those are like three of our main things that we're constantly using in the craft world. So we have a vinyl partner. Here it tells you what you get with your coupon. Once you get this down as a member, you'll know exactly how to do this. And I highly suggest right around the first of the month, when you're ready to stock up on things, go into your craft membership, get the code for the month, and write it down somewhere. This will change monthly, so it is one thing that you do have to come around, and that's just because we're shopping third-party partners. We're not shopping on my website, but they are lovingly putting these coupon codes into their website every single month. So let's say I'm loading up on some acrylic today. I'm going to go to Craft Acrylic and I am going to buy myself some anything. Glitter Pearl Bundle, the mini bundle. I really need to get familiar with this now that I have an actual laser. And we are going to enter puddles. So that's going to take off $7, but they also all offer buy one get one free, plus you can use your code. So go shop around our partners. You are shopping my products, craft supplies. Now, this is going to be where I am going to put kits, mystery boxes, all the things, but it'll automatically take it off. You don't have to put in a coupon code. You don't have to put anything in. If you're signed in as a member, you will get 50% off. Personal use spot under style. This is where a lot of people love to go. This is technically going to take you off of my website into Dropbox folders, but here is where I compile tons of fun things that either I've gotten somewhere or I've created, but they are personal use only. These you cannot sell things with. There are PNGs, there are SVGs, there are, let's just go into one of them. Let's go into Lilo and Stitch. And this will open just one category for you. And in this will be stickers, SVGs, PNGs. You can look right here to see what this is. So PNGs are great for creating your own stickers, creating your own print and cut images, blowing these up and printing them on massive things. You're going to find some of my old SVGs from when I first started cricketing and I was making some fun stuff for my girls. So anytime I make a personal use project, I am going to add it to the personal use files, and my members get 100% access to anything that I make all the time. Just remember, you cannot sell with these. These are for personal use only, and I have created them for personal use only. Inside the Valentine's Winnie the Pooh, there's an entire category of SVGs, and this is because I was making a massive Valentine's Winnie the Pooh project. Peruse them, look through them. Each character has their own. That's our fun little spot, and they will not be included in the shop files. I won't be selling those to the public, and I won't be offering those to the public. If you have joined your courses, you can always go to my programs, and this is going to take you and show you anything that you're already in. You can also click here. This is where all of your account and all the things. If you're not logged in, it won't say your name up there. So just make sure you're logged in, or if you click this and it says log out, that means you're automatically logged in. So welcome to my membership. Peruse around. I look forward to seeing you in courses, crafting on the internet, and all the fun things. All right. Bye, guys.